This is Elizabeth with WTI, and if you're looking for the perfect paintbrush that you can use all day on your projects and get into small areas and also fit perfectly into your hand, then check out these 2-inch angle brushes from PinStone. For me, the favorite feature is the gripped handle brush, and how small it is someone that has rather small hands. It fits very comfortably to hold compared to traditional hand brushes, and when you're working, maybe doing edges on the floor or more in tight spaces, you don't have to worry about like banging the edge of the handle on something. What's better than one paintbrush was the fact that you get 3 paintbrushes, and this is super helpful if you're trying to extend maybe a budget that you're working on, or if you have multiple people working out a paint project at a time. You have 3, you always have a paintbrush ready to go with any color you might be ready to use. So if you're ready to start your next paint project, then you have to make sure you get these 2-inch angle brushes, so that way they're perfect for your small hands, or if you're working in small areas to be able to reach. So that's just my point of view.